Hello, my name is Silvana. I'm a college student and I am also an RA. If you clicked on this video, it's because maybe you are either a new RA who wants to learn how to do stuff, or you are someone into arts and crafts and are maybe interested in doing some door decorations for your room. So today I'm going to teach you how to make door decks. I'll walk you through how I do them and how I think of them and just the usual process of doing door decks, which is actually kind of fun. So currently I am in the RA office of my building, and right now I have everything I need to get started. The most important thing you need to get started is a Cricut and to download or get into the web page Cricut. You don't always have to have a Cricut. This is just the newest way and also the easiest way to do them. You can also do them by yourself, but this is how I do them and it takes less time. And you also need the paper that you're gonna use, the mat for the Cricut, and also anything extra you might need: markers, pens, colors, glue, maybe some strings, however you want. Okay, so this is a Cricut. This is the Cricut mat that we're gonna use. Open your Cricut after you've turned it on. Once you're in the Cricut app, you're going to, if you want to do a new project, you're going to click on select new project and then blank canvas. However, I already have my projects here. Therefore, I just have to click on my stuff, and there I'll have the projects that I'll do. This is the hard door deck that I'm doing. So then I will click on make it. On this, you will say that you will load it on mat 12 by 12. And then I will click on continue. And now we are connected to the Cricut. Before I load everything, I'm going to select my items that I'm going to use. I'm going to use this cardstock in red for the hearts. And I'm going to use another cardstock in black for the legs of the heart. And then I'm going to be using white cardstock for the eye, and then the rest is going to be with marker. So now you click on this to unload the mat, and this is basically how it turned out. If you can see, we can take them out. They look like this. So currently I have 3. They look like this. I need more, so I need to do this process again as many times as needed. And so yeah, I'll do this and I'll be back to teach you the rest. So this is what I did on the Cricut. I did the little legs for the heart, the eyes, and the hearts. My next step is I'm going to glue the legs to the hearts, and then I'm going to also glue the eyes. And then my final step will be doing the face, like the smile and like the little part of the eye, and just writing down the names for my residents, their door number, and that I'll be finished. I have just finally finished gluing everything together. What's left is drawing the faces and just putting the numbers and the names of my residents. After that, you're technically done with your door decks, so we're almost there. I'm going to draw a little circle inside the white part just to make it look more like an eye. And it looks like this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I hope it works for you. If you have any questions, you can write them down in the comments and I can do another video doing more specific things. But yeah, this is it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.